I read a book, Edward D. Bono करके एक author है. So he has written a book, how to come out with creative ideas. And when I read that book, I was so shocked that it is so easy to come out with creative ideas. You know, we think that one has to be lucky, या accidentally आ जाते हैं, यूरेका and Archimedes नंगा भागा. It's all utter nonsense. Because stories have glamour, stories have great memories. That's why they are part of our syllabus. So creativity is mostly combination of two random things, which I've also mentioned in my book. So I'll give you a simple exercise and you will be convinced that how easy it is to come out with creative ideas. Before that, let us try to understand how our mind works and how it doesn't work. If I tell you it's a white big empty canvas, draw something great, you'll be like, yeah, but what? क्या कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? Right? Like I have a huge collection of books. Whenever somebody comes and I say, draw any book, take any book, nobody takes. And when I remove 3, हाँ इसमें से ये ठीक है. So our mind always needs some anchor to start with. Now on the same canvas, if I draw something ऐसा random कुछ, then your mind will start thinking, अच्छा ये ना गणपति की ट्रंक लग रहा है, इसका मैं गणपति बना सकता हूँ, इधर आँखें कर. Got it? You always need something. Usually देखो ना, कोई आइडिया लेके आता है तो उसके ऊपर हम फटाफट आइडियाज़ के लेयर्स बनाते हैं, है ना? ऐसा क्यों? That means we always need some guidepost, a starting point, an anchor. तो वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. Any utter nonsense thing. For example, so what we started doing, we started finding random nouns. The nouns are easy to correlate. We can touch, feel or see nouns. For example, tiger or bench or table. And then we started putting that random noun or word besides booklet. Or any venture. Mine is booklet mission. A booklet means booklet guy, books, booklet app, summaries, audio, everything comes under it. And then start borrowing the features of that word into booklet. Now don't think does this idea sound stupid, is it executable, वो सब नहीं सोचना है. The best way to come out with a great idea is to have many ideas. Okay, अभी जब 5 निकालोगे, we'll have 50 ideas, उससे एक जाएगा एक हफ्ते में. मैं लिख के दे रहा हूँ, अभी होने वाला है. We have done this. So once we had a random word called soldier, and we started thinking. मैंने 5 लाए, फरीद ने 5 आइडियाज़ लाए, ऐसे करके, और 2-3 फ्रेंड्स थे. And then एक ऐसा आइडिया निकला कि how about approaching Indian Army and ask them, can you share combat stories which we can put on booklet tab. You are the real heroes. And it worked. And when we came to know that it's a very lengthy process to take permissions वगैरह. There are some authors who have gone through this tedious process and published books which we are not aware of. Had there not been a word called soldier, तो ये सोचता ही शुरू नहीं होता. Are you getting my point? It's not about IQ, smartness. There was some starting point we got and then we executed. We got 3 authors who have already written combat stories, real Kargil stories वगैरह. Now they are authors of Friends. समझा कहाँ से कहाँ आ गया ऐसे. Then we got a word called hanger, and we actually made a bookshelf out of hanger. I've also posted on Facebook. Hanger को books लटका के, you can remove it, put it. Hanger, yeah. Extremely frugal. No पैसा, मेरे सब घर के hanger मैंने use हो गए. ऐसा. So right now we'll come out with some random word, and we all have to come out with minimum 3 ideas. The keyword is minimum here. At least 3 ideas. I know initially tough जाएगा, मुझे अभी आदत हो गई है, तो मैं तो 3 है तो मेरे 5-6 आ जाएंगे. Here जितना free रखोगे खुद को, for example डॉल्फिन और कार ऐसे कुछ किया हमने. डॉल्फिन इज इंटेलिजेंट, हाउ अबाउट इंटेलिजेंट कार, ऐसा कुछ. ड्रॉ द फीचर्स. अभी सोल्जर मतलब क्या, इंडियन फ्लैग, सियाचेन, बर्फ़, कुछ भी हो सकता है. फाइटर पायलट, ऐसा हर एक का अलग अलग आएगा क्योंकि वी आर अपब्रिंगिंग इन डिफरेंट कल्चर, डिफरेंट. ये फाइटर पायलट तो उसको वही दिखेगा पहले. When I talk about soldier, तो उसके मन में पहले वो आएगा जो हमारे में नहीं आएगा.